To use Klarna on Expedia, you first need to know if Expedia accepts Klarna as a payment method. Expedia does accept Klarna as a payment option, allowing you to book your travel plans and pay for them in installments. To get started, go to the Expedia website or mobile app and begin by searching for your travel plans, including flights, hotels, or car rentals. Once you have selected your travel options, proceed to the checkout page. On the payment page, you will see various payment options, including credit cards, PayPal, and Klarna. Select Klarna as your payment method. You will then be redirected to the Klarna website to complete your payment. If you already have a Klarna account, you can log in to proceed with the payment. If you do not have a Klarna account, you can create one by providing some basic information, including your name, email address, and payment details. Klarna offers different payment plans, including paying in full at checkout, paying in 4 interest-free installments, or financing your purchase over a longer period. Choose the payment plan that works best for you and review the terms and conditions before confirming your payment. Once you have completed your payment with Klarna, you will receive a confirmation email from Expedia with your travel itinerary. You can also access your itinerary on the Expedia website or mobile app. It is essential to review your itinerary carefully to ensure that all the details are correct. Using Klarna on Expedia provides flexibility and convenience when booking your travel plans. You can book your travel now and pay for it later, making it easier to manage your expenses. However, it is crucial to make your payments on time to avoid any interest charges or late fees. In summary, Expedia does accept Klarna as a payment method, allowing you to book your travel plans and pay for them in installments. By following these steps, you can use Klarna on Expedia to make your travel bookings more manageable and affordable.